What's going on here today? Episode. You want to know? See the plastics? We remove some bits and we will restore the plastics if you want to refresh it or it's burned from the sun and from the gears. This is painted with 2 layers of coat, plastic coat. We will refresh it because of gasolines. A few times they spoil them.
What the fuck?
This is very good. It's hard and easy to fix. Before I painted, it was a totally mess when I buy it from the last owner. It was burned, it was grey, not grey, white, it has scarves. It was in a absolutely disaster situation. Let's go, yeah! This is the product, bumper paint, and this we will use P400, P4600 and P800. It's water-based sandpapers. We will go there. Sand with this water sandpaper, and it will be just like new again. The surfaces are ready for painting. We're going to cover the piece that we don't want to paint, and we will start with this amazing product. Easy, cheap and very high quality finish, only on exciting rest. Oh yes, my friend. We take a towel, we clean it, we cover it and make it our magic. Oh yes. We're here, we'll cover the most important pieces that don't want to paint. We'll come here for the first easy layer, not very hard painting. We will paint like this to catch the paint, and after we will continue. Second, maybe 3 layers, but I think with 2 it will be okay. Second layer, we let it dry about 10 minutes and start to remove this. It's absolutely perfect. Okay, oh yeah, oh yes, exciting rest, oh yes. how it looks like. What do you think how it looks like? We finished with 2 covers of layer spray for plastics black, and we restore our fended plastics for many reasons, from the sun, from the heating, if you left it outside, if you don't have garage, or if someone in the gas station dropped from there, because in this exciting it has there the deposit, the refill, they drop gasoline and they clean it with clothes. It's not correct. No, we don't do this. Immediately we spoil water and left it dry alone. And also in original color. Gasoline is very bad for the color because it's like a chemical. That's the result. And we are back. Yes. See you in the next episode.